Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Kubernetes versus Kafka. Kubernetes is an open-source platform for automating the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Kafka, on the other hand, is a distributed streaming platform designed for building real-time data pipelines. While both are critical in modern software architectures, they address different challenges. We'll explore their distinct functionalities and help you understand when and why to use each, or even how they can work together effectively. Kubernetes excels at orchestrating your containerized applications, ensuring they run reliably and efficiently. It automates tasks like deployment, scaling, and self-healing, meaning if a container fails, Kubernetes can automatically restart it. It also manages resource allocation, like CPU and memory, across your cluster, providing robust load balancing and enabling seamless updates with automated rollouts and rollbacks. This platform is your go-to for managing application infrastructure. Kafka is engineered for high-throughput, low-latency data streaming, capable of processing millions of messages per second. It's perfect for building real-time data pipelines and event-driven architectures. Data is organized into topics and distributed across multiple brokers, ensuring both scalability and fault tolerance. This design allows for asynchronous communication between various services, making it ideal for scenarios where immediate data processing and reliable message delivery are paramount for your applications. Deciding between Kubernetes and Kafka isn't about which is inherently better, but rather which problem you're trying to solve. Kubernetes is your foundation for managing and scaling your application's infrastructure, ensuring your services are always available. Kafka is your engine for handling vast amounts of real-time data, enabling powerful streaming analytics and event processing. Often, these two powerful tools work hand in hand, with Kubernetes orchestrating your Kafka clusters for maximum efficiency and resilience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.